Hello everybody, Smoking Bears. Cheers. Welcome to another Cast Iron Wednesday. Today I got a little something different. Well, of course, all of them are different, right? I'm using leftovers. I smoked up some buffalo chicken thighs over the weekend, and I got a few left, and I said, man, Bear, we got to do something different with them, right? You know, I can make a sandwich, but it's not cast iron, right? So I decided I'm going to do a buffalo chicken stuffed biscuits. Yeah. I know. What? Let me show you what's up. First thing we're going to do, this is a chicken sausage. But these are my what's left of the thighs. So I'm just going to give them just going to dice them up real good. Just kind of a rough dice. And then I'm going to put them back in this bowl. You see that? Yep. I know Rex is right beside me here. He's wanting to get some, but I don't have much left, and we need to use it. And then, shoot, why not throw this in there? Right? Use what you got. Throw that in there. Yep. Oops. Let's take the blue cheese, crumbles, put them all in there. Get out all the goodness. Don't want to leave any crumbles behind. I got some Texas Pete's right here, wing sauce. I got the extra mild, just because. I'm just going to coat this all. I got another bottle just in case, you know, I need more. All right, so now we'll give this a stir to combine. You know, and if I need to add more sauce, I'll add more sauce. And it could have been too much blue cheese, but we're using leftovers. I think that'll be good. This is the new bottle, same thing. Let's just add a little more, just a little bit. So our cast iron was in the oven preheating. We just hit 350 degrees. So I'm gonna give these a little spritz, you know, get all the inside there. Now one thing I noticed, and I don't know why, there's 7 cups, but there's 8 biscuits that come in my biscuit thing, so I don't know. But let me show you how we do a couple of these, and then it's that pop every time. So I just laid out some parchment paper here, so I got some stuff to, you know, to work on. All right. Now with this is where it gets, open it up. You don't want the flaky kind. You want the other kind, the jumbo regular biscuit. Now you open this up and take your fork, a clean fork, or you know, if you're going to eat these. But take your fork, stuff it in there. That might be too much. And then you just want to pinch it. Pinch, 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 pinch around, kind of creating a seal. Any little sauce, just get the sauce on top. You just want to kind of pinch it closed. So now you made like a little pocket. Oh, can't even see that shit. Damn it. Okay. So let me try this again. So what you want to do is pull, open up the middle, pull it apart. Right? Just like that. Now lay it open in your hand. Get you a spoonful or forkful. Put it right in the center. Get a little bit more. I think that first one I had too much in. Well, now you got that in there. Stretch this top over. And pinch the edges. Getting sauce on your fingers, just rub it on the top. It won't hurt anything. There you go. And just pinch it around. Kind of like you're sealing it. Now you have a little biscuit pocket. We'll set that in our little pan. And see, I have 7 biscuits. I have 1 left over. I stuffed it anyway. I'm just going to set it on the rack beside it. So now I'm just sitting here thinking, I was like, I got this little brush. Let's get in here and get some of this excess sauce and just go right on top of it. Like I said, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Now Mama Bear does not know about this yet. The time I'm making this video. So she'll come home, she'll be like, what is that? And I might tell her and I might let it be a surprise. She'll think it's biscuits and be like, what? Mind blown. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm saying. I don't think they'll make it that long though. I'll sneak some in the fridge for my afternoon snack and then dinner for work. Yeah. Okay. Now let's pop these in the oven. And don't forget about our little one. We'll set him right there on that pizza stone. Folks, these biscuits were in for 17 minutes at 350 degrees. I had some nice good bubbling, had a little blowout right here. Tell that buffalo sauce baked in there real nice. So let's pull one of these out. And they're just fresh out. I mean, these things are still piping hot. We can see that steam. I mean, it's a biscuit, right? So once these cool down, you'll be able to eat them like little pizza pockets or something like that. But yeah, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's hot. That temperature hot, not like spicy hot. Wow. Alright guys, so let's do this taste test. It's hot, so I'm probably going to burn my mouth. I mean, it just came out. But look at that. You see that? See the steam coming off that? Nice chicken bites. Actually, the temperature wasn't that bad. But that blue cheese really comes in, shines through, which I'm kind of not surprised because blue cheese is pretty stinky. And then, but it overpowers that buffalo sauce. Like you get the buffalo, and then that blue cheese comes in, and then you get the nice buttery biscuit taste afterwards. That thumbs up. I enjoyed that one. Might have to save one for Mama Bear, or I'll hide them both. Hide them all. But that's Smoking Bears. That's my Cast Iron Wednesday in a large biscuit pan. Try it out, man. We'll just take some leftovers, stuff them in a biscuit, and bake them off. See what crazy concoction you can come up with. And then hit me up. Instagram, same smoking _ bears _ Hit me up and let me know what you did. It'd be pretty cool. Well, have a great rest of the week, everybody. That's Smoking Bears. Remember, a family that cooks together stays together.